back to the land of Cybertron in Hasbro County, G1 Boulevard. We have Transformers Legacy United, G1 Universe Sandstorm. This is my first triple changer, ladies and gentlemen. Also, I was looking to get one. I was looking at one. I'm still looking at it though. But yeah, I just saw this fella at Burlington Coat Factory, where there are more than great coats. I think that was the commercial. And I left the price tag on it too, so you can see that there. And the comparable value, I'm pretty sure is a damn lie, because I just looked it up. Because I was like, nah. This thing here is from Hasbro. The lovely people at Hasbro.
You raggedy bitch.
So, yeah, it's between $34 and $71. And, yeah, I said, nah. I'm pretty sure that's not the comparable price. Even if you saw this at Target or somewhere. This at $26, doubtful. But yeah, let's get into the, as you can see, it turns into a chopper so we can get to it. And also a cool ass car with the blaster on top. 3-in-1. Leader class. Wait. Leader class. 8 and up. 6-year-olds, don't even play yourself. 7, get out of here. Look at it. Look at it. I will force you to look at the artwork, because somebody took the time to art this shit. And there it is. The triple change. So we're gonna go from here to here. In 19 to get to the car. 32 to get to the chopper. Got the cage hanging so you can rescue people that's stupid, that don't listen to you. There's your barcode if you want to get to it. I will never not like this blue background, especially with the orange against it. There he is, action pose. And with the close up. Cool gaze in the face. With the blue eyes. Joyce is glowing. That inner John glowing. No idea where, there we go. Come on. You understand, I will rip this whole thing up. I will shut. That almost felt like Christmas, ripping that open like that. Alright. Chillin'. Alright, so I'm guessing this is weapon. This cage is cool. It's locked in. They really think something's gonna fall out. Come on, y'all. I guess I should appreciate that though, because who wants broken merchandise? Come on with it. We out? No. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have rubber tires. Also, he's still locked in. Oh, that's what's going on. Yo, we got rubber tires, y'all. We done came up like 7-Up, baby. Hold the phone. We got rubber tires out here. What? We got the good years. We out here with the good years. Oh, we on Pirellis? What's these? We on riding on Pirellis? What's these? All right, hold up. Cause as you can see, this joint is super top heavy, but very tight joints on the hips and the knees. So they know what they did. I just moved something in the back. I think I transformed something. I don't know. Wait. I need you to stand up, sir. Yo, this thing's super top heavy. Okay. I just need to fix the camera, my friend. Okay? Damn. Wow. This is a lot of stuff. Well, this is just... Oh. We still got stuff. Homie still locked in. Get it off you. Get it off you. Okay. Alright, this thing huge. And heavy. Waist articulation, no. Alright. First, let's get to... Man. Let's get to these instructions. Are thick. This shit look like a road map. Triple changer. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bet. And here's a rescue cage. I believe it also can go on him because got every damn thing else on that backpack. That thing huge. Homie listens to all the cool hip hop. All the latest rappers from the late 90s and early 2000s. If they was on Rockets Records, he know about them. Alright, let's see here. Seriously, it's a road map. Okay, so we have, looks like the propeller for the chopper. I don't know what any of this stuff is. It's a little tiny blaster. And here we go. Cool little detailing on it though. Kind of like Marvin the Martian. Look like Marvin the Martian's blicky, if you will. How we gonna see that? There we go. Whoo! Okay. Looks like they cared. Like the hollow, because people complain about the hollow pieces in the guns, but like this kind of looks like it should be some hollow pieces in this one. You can't tell how hollow. And I mean, come on. You're scrutinizing it. Now I wonder if the tiny blaster can fit onto this one, because they always do stuff like that. We're gonna look into that later. Man, yeah, this comes with more stuff than normal, because again, triple changer, rescue chopper, people caught in the flood. Yeah, gotta get them. All right, so let me actually wait. looks like a road map. Okay, so at first glance, the eyes again stand out to me because everything's so orange. He's like shades of orange, and the black is cool. It's that blue, the blue in the eyes, and maybe the silver face mask, because that breaks it up. All that orange, but yeah, he's cool. We got another winner. All right, so I don't think he's turning his head anywhere. Oh, we got a little side, a little left or right. That was a down too. Hold up, wait. This backpack is ridiculous. A little down, Not looking up much, but you can still look up. But yeah, all of this is crazy. But I guess it has to be here. Not too mad at it though. And also the hips and knees and the ankles being able to support all of that weight. I appreciate that. So we can go, you can do 360, but watch out for the huge backpack. Try not to transform anything. You can go up to the side. Let's see what we got. I guess this would be considered as bicep cut. Pretty good on the elbow too. Ooh. Am I transforming something? Yep. Alright, the wrists aren't moving at all. No, we got wrist rotation. There we go. I don't want to break nothing. It's a transform. Don't break nothing on a transform. Alright, waist. Good on that. We got the move. We got the smooth side kicks. I'm willing to bet money we got a Charlie Murphy. Let me see if he can. Oh. See, those feet are long, so they made sure that him being top heavy wouldn't be a problem with these leg joints because they're nice and tight. Knee, you got 90 or a little. Is this 90? Yeah, it is now. Okay. And again, you got that hip swivel and a lot of ankle tilt because I'm guessing this is for some transformation. And you got some down and no up. So yeah, and these rubber tires. Can we talk about this? I don't think I have any Transformers with rubber tires. So again, yeah, happy about the first triple changer that I have. Yeah, because I just started getting Transformers a little while ago. Like getting them on purpose. The first couple was an accident. Now let me see here. Does this fit? Yes, it does. He's transforming a little bit. This front part of the chest, that comes down easily. So just be cautious of that. And yeah, I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm guessing. Dropping stuff. I'm guessing the there has to be storage on here for that. I'm guessing I should probably look at instructions. Maybe. Before I just start putting it places. I think it might go here. You think it goes here? You think it goes here? I don't know. It might. Yeah, no, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna look at the instructions and figure out where everything goes. But he comes with cool stuff, and I'm with it. And there's a triple changer. Let me. So we out here. We got dual wheeled. We're transforming already. Yeah, that's gonna be a little issue. Maybe. There is a peg and a hole, but it doesn't like snap in or anything. So maybe it's mine. Maybe it's all of them. Let me know. Yeah, he's cool. Okay. And I'm gonna figure out where to put this too. I believe this also stores on him. Quite appreciative of all the details. Thanks, Hasbro, for not killing this one. I'm pretty happy about all my Transformers so far. The hunt must continue. Alright, we're about to transform this freak of nature. I'll be back. Okay, so first, let's get this out of here, even though we will probably need it later. And also get that gun off too. This gun can probably stay on, but let's get that off too. And yeah, this chest piece part, that just happens, man. That's just gonna happen. That's just what it's gonna be. So first, you're gonna open up these wrists like that, or open up the forearm, I guess. I really like the way that opens up on that hinge, and then goes like that. And we can go down to the legs first, or second, and just close the feet like that. And then there's, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, there's hinges, or not hinges, but there's tabs and stuff right here on the legs and the feet. So yeah, you can just put those together. And then come here and pull this chest part down like it always wants to come down. And you're gonna take all of this out and flip the head down and back. And it stays there like that. And then bring the chest part down. Make sure that this part is up. And then you can make the feet flat and push the legs up. So now the front fits up, the front fits onto the legs. And now you can fold this down and fold this down, and then fold that, and see if you can catch it on this side. There is a peg here, and there's gonna also be a little slat. You can see it. Let's see if the light catch it. There's gonna be a little peg right here. I mean a little slat right there for it. So yeah, just fold this down and it fits in like so. And yeah, just squeeze everything on. Everything's locked in. That shouldn't have opened. And then just separate a little part here so it could be a fake spoiler. And yeah, just make sure everything, make sure everything's locked down. Can you see it? Can you see it? Very good. Yeah. Got a little roll to it, nice roll. Again, the rubber tires are fantastic. Even though this one doesn't roll like the others, but it's okay. It's probably just my copy. Hopefully, just my copy. But yeah, this is the Sandstorm Dune Buggy Racing Off-Road Vehicle. It's pretty cool. And then there are some extra things to go with it, of course, as far as storage. Now that gun that was on his shoulder probably could have stayed there because it ends up here, and this cage also gets its own storage. This fits here, and this part comes apart. Goes like this, and the gun goes on top. Lovely. Is this the right way? I don't know. And this part goes on the bottom. I don't think that's the right way. And this part goes on the bottom. Wait. Still not the right way. This part goes on the bottom. You know what? Okay, it does. Yeah. So, again, I think it's just my copy. Oh wait, it feels more secure. Never mind. Oh, never mind. Maybe it's it fixed itself. I'll be quiet now. I'll shut up. Thank you, Hasbro. But yeah, this is the completed Sandstorm vehicle mode. It's really cool. Really dig it. It got roll to it. All the details on it hold up. It's not super complicated, not super busy, but I do like the details. I like these headlights. All of this gold, this silver. All the silver looks cool. The tires and the wheels, I think, is what sold me. And there's the bottom. Pretty plain. Pretty plain on the bottom. Can't see any feet, can't see any hands, can't see his face. I'm sold. So wait, before we go to comparison, go into the third mode, we can do some comparisons with, first with Optimus. As you can see, this is a long vehicle. Get him up out of here. You can see exactly how big that is. You got Bumblebee. Now you can get Motor Master in the mix. I just like the sound of those tires. It rolls so well. I don't know why that's impressive to me. You get a knockout. get him up out of here. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Okay, so as I admire the details, I like all this in the back. This whole cage was just ingenious engineering, I say. But yeah, this whole design is cool with me. Not mad at it. So we're gonna go into helicopter mode. About to get to the chopper. Get to the chopper.
Get to the chopper!
Yo, this is on really secure and tight. Just be careful when disassembling things, cause yeah, you don't want to break nothing. Let me. You know what? Cause this is in here. Yo, it's really jammed up in here. All right, you know what? Hold up. All right. Had to do some stuff. Okay. Well, since we just started to disassemble some things, just take the arms out and fold them up like this, right? And then you can fold these flaps back up because it's polite. Now this part's the weird part. Undo this, bring this head up, right? But don't bring it all the way up. It's so weird, actually, and I'm strange too because I don't want to see it. So I turn the head around, and then you can bring the chest part up, but that falls in. Strange, we're getting strange. And then bring the chest plate up, right? And also that little part that you need it flipped out. Remember we were talking about this part here? Flip that back in. This is all strange. We're all dealing with strange stuff right now. Okay. Believe it or not, this is what you want to be. This is what you want to be. Okay. Then we're going to flip this over. Okay. And we're going to open this. And we're going to bring these around. It's going to get crazy, kids. It's going to get crazy. Lift these wheels up. Now the wheels are on swivels. So many swivels. What you'll want to do is get your wheel. I think this one goes up and the other one goes down. It's so strange. Hold up. Bam, boom, bam. Wait. Because you want it to be flat. Like that one's flat, this one's not flat. Hold up. Okay. And you want to use this side. There's slats here and pegs here. So you just want to peg them in the slats on the side. I'm gonna fix this tire when y'all aren't looking. Cause it's gonna bother me. Alright, hold up. Where are we? We good. Now it's gonna get crazy. unlock this, right? And then pull these propellers up and bring them around this way. Oh, unlock these wheels and bring these down. And then you can bring this whole part back. There we go. There we go. And now you can close these flaps and also close that so it's back to the cone. Now you're still up here. You want to turn this around. See? And turn that around too. And then you can close the front of the helicopter. Everything should be sitting flush except for this damn tire. We're gonna fix that in a second. And after you got that, you can push these down and spread them out accordingly. There's little locks too, so they lightly lock into place. And there's your helicopter. Minus the jacked up tire. Hold up. I'm gonna want to fix this. Yeah, fixed it. Okay, yeah, so this is it. This is the chopper. So also, gotta have your guns. You gotta get your guns. So yeah, guns on the side. And this one, you can just turn it around. So yeah, the little gray one, after you get used to the transformation, you can pretty much leave that gray one on as you do transformations, because it's tiny, it ain't going nowhere. But yeah, the black one has to be removed. And the propeller, man, the propeller gets down. Now also the rescue cage, of course. Oh, and these wheels still work, and these little landing gear type wheels also work, so it still rolls. And the rescue cage actually does attach to the bottom, which brings it to a whole new level of coolness when you attach it. Come on. When you attach the cage to rescue the people. And it goes right here. Now I have thick fingers, so you can actually open it and get in right there just like that. And you can just close it back. And now you got rescue cage ready to help. So yeah, this is dope. If you got a flight stand or something hanging, you can just have this hanging from the ceiling. Or just hanging off your desk, I don't know. Whatever you want to do, you spent the bread, do what you like. But yeah, this is a mean one to me. I don't think I need to do size comparison. Do I need to do size comparison? It's about the same size as the car. So I think size comparisons might be a little redundant at this point. Plus it's like up in the air. But yeah, it's a little longer than Optimus. You can see that. Yeah, it's a pretty good sized vehicle, and he's pretty tall as a back. So yeah, I think this might be the cooler vehicle of the two. Y'all let me know which vehicle you think is cooler. If you like the chopper. I'm leaning more towards the chopper, or you like the sand dune buggy deal. But to transform, just take that roll cage. I mean the roll cage. To transform, take the rescue cage up out of there. Get all the propellers back facing the same way. And just lift that up. But you gotta open this and unlock this. Lift that lock up, because if you don't, that's just, it's not gonna work out for you. Have these propellers facing out there too, so you can go up through there. And yeah, that just locks. Well, it doesn't lock, but until you get this, press the propellers down. They all have their respective place, and then there's your lock there. And then you can open up the wheels, turn that gun down if you're gonna leave it on there for transformation. Then you can turn the wheels back and they lock into place onto those pegs. Turn these around. Your fenders, I guess, or no, turn them around before you lock them into the sides, because clearance issues. Clearance. And then you can take this guy out, turn the head around, lift that chest plate up, unlock it from the sides to unlock those arms from the sides. Yeah, the chest part is just gonna it's gonna be what it is, man. It's not moving, or it's not gonna stay locked for anybody. But yeah, you can just open those wheel parts back up and then go all the way around too, and just put the wheels back where you want them, so you can have them close to the sides. A little bit of fidgeting with it. Pull these, pull the legs down and also separate them. Make his feet right. Pull the heels out so he can stand up, cause dude is super top heavy. But yeah, my biggest gripe probably is gonna be the chest part. It's weird during transformation because there's two different settings. Just open that. Yeah, there's two different settings for the chest plate, and also the all this gray stuff behind them, that has its own stuff too. It's different settings for that. When you see, like, it goes all the way in there, covers it up, or you gotta have it up here for when he's actually in bat mode, and there's a different configuration when he's doing the helicopter mode. So yeah, it has different settings inside the chest, but when he's a bat and you just moving it, that opens. So I don't know if that's just on mine or if that's how you made it, but yeah, there is a peg there, there's a hole here. No matter how much I try to lock those in, it ain't moving, buddy. So yeah, maybe it's just my copy, maybe it's an engineering flaw, who the hell knows. But I'm not gonna let that deter me from being super excited to having for having my first triple changer. Not at all. Sandstorm out here, tall as hell. So yeah, I'm not tripping off slight design flaws when yeah, got a triple changer and it's acting up on camera. There you go. There you go. Fix yourself. Fix yourself. Fix it. Fix it. Yeah. Pretty tall. So why use bat mode it up. Get some comparisons in. Get your boy Alchemist Prime. And get a turn over here. And get a start screen. LeBron. Get Nucleus in here. Haven't seen him in a while. Sea Spray, G1. And how about Trash Master? Don't fall over. There you go. Why are you so far away? Huh. Gears, G1. And get him up out of here. Lift Ticket, who I vowed never to have in bat mode, and now I have not transformed him back into vehicle mode in probably about 2 months. This is also G1. Squad. Alright, man, so yeah. Sandstorm, G1, triple changer. First one out the gate. I'm still looking at another triple changer to get, but I really like this guy. All 3 modes are cool with me. Just the problems with his chest and one of the wheels. Not really tripping off that. Really like the chopper mode the best, but bot mode and the buggy mode is nothing to sneeze on either. So y'all let me know, which mode do you like the best? Do you have Sandstorm? When was the last time you watched Transformers? Anything. What's your favorite Transformers medium? Is it the comics, cartoons, live action movies? We all got mixed feelings on those. But yeah, man, y'all let me know. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.